Welcome back. It's been a long time. We were supposed to make a video of how we've been using our Jeep bed about 6 months ago, but we've gone on like 3 or 4 different trips and we've forgot every time, or we got too caught up in the trip. But this time, we're gonna show you guys how we've been using our Jeep bed. Beer down. We got our Jeep bed set up right here. I'm going to show you guys how we extend it in just a second. But underneath it, we got this right here. Normally we keep, a lot of like our pantry type stuff in it. This is my camera backpack. We normally fit all this stuff over here. All this fits underneath the Jeep bed. For this table, it folds in half. We throw it underneath that as well. Everything fits underneath this Jeep bed except for our handy dandy ice chest, which we just put behind the passenger seat, and then that gives enough room for moose and beans to roam around out there. In the last video, I was talking about how I was gonna make an extra foot of room in this Jeep, and so I'm gonna tell you how I do that. So if you follow me this way, so we just gotta make the seat go forward like that, and then so we've got both the seats all the way forward. And we open up this right here. And so the last video I talked about making this, but this time what I did is I just put these hinges right here, if you can kind of see them. And that gives us an extra foot of room. And so we just fold this down, and then whenever we're not driving, we kind of do that, and we just pull everything up. And so that gives us about 6 feet even of room. So that's a lot better than 5 feet, especially for someone who's 5'11". Am I 5'11"? I don't know. But that's crucial, honestly. I feel like in making a Jeep bed is that you have to make that little extra foot, because if you don't make that extra foot, if you are anybody above 5.5 feet, it's gonna be a very tight squeeze. So really would recommend this extra foot that we made right there. So we normally have Lindsay's stuff on this side, my stuff on that side. Because we're not making it a permanent situation, we don't need to have like a closet or anything like that. I feel like a lot of people say they live out of the Jeep. Maybe a lot of them do live out of their Jeep, and maybe a lot of them are just really into it. But I feel like it's not economical to, really build a closet in here if you're gonna be taking it out every other weekend or something like that. So with our kitchen setup, super simple. It's just this table that folds in half. We slide it under the Jeep. We got this container right here. It's also just slides underneath the Jeep bed. And then we just got our pots and pans. We're cooking some brats tonight. And it just, I don't know, it's super simple. Everything online is extra complicated when it comes to Jeep builds. And I just yeah, those things are cool, but you can make it very simplistic and work for you. And I'm just showing people that you can actually do that. Because a lot of people think that you have to rip out every single seat in there. We still have our back seats in here. They're just folded down. And every other Jeep build I've ever seen, they're not there. Basic, simple Jeep build, people. Basic. Anybody could do it type of Jeep build. If I can do it, anybody can.
I need you more.